In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sent emails from your Gmail account. Often, we find ourselves needing to review the emails we've previously sent, whether it's to confirm details or simply to revisit past communications. Fortunately, Gmail makes this process quite straightforward. Let's dive in and take a closer look. First of all, you'll want to access your Gmail account. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Gmail website, or you can use a saved link if you have one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail homepage, which defaults to your inbox. The interface will be familiar if you use Gmail regularly, with your inbox messages front and center. Now, to find your sent emails, look towards the left-hand side of your Gmail interface. Here you'll see a list of labels or folders. These typically include your inbox, drafts, spam, and importantly for today's task, sent, or sometimes labeled as sent mail. This section is where Gmail stores all the emails you've dispatched. With a click on that sent label, you'll be taken to a page displaying all the emails you've sent from that account. This folder arranges your sent emails by date, with the most recent ones appearing at the top. It's an organized and effective way to track your outgoing messages. There are instances when you might be unable to locate a specific email you're looking for in the sent folder, especially if it's an older email or perhaps if it was inadvertently moved. In such cases, Gmail offers a powerful search feature that can come in handy. Navigate to the search bar located at the top of the Gmail page. It's a versatile tool that not only searches your inbox but your sent items as well. Simply enter keywords that you recall from the email's subject or body. If you remember the recipient's address, typing that in can also help to narrow down your search and find the email swiftly. This search function includes options for filtering by date, size, and even attachments, allowing for a more refined search should you need it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently review any emails you've sent through Gmail, ensuring that you're always in the loop on your past communications. Remember, being able to quickly locate your past emails can be crucial, whether it's for personal reference or for professional purposes. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to access your sent messages. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.